Sometimes the world gets too loud, but out here, it's just you and your bike. The moment you put helmet on, everything changes. The weight of the world slips away, replaced by the promise of the ride ahead. With a twist of the throttle, life begins to hum again. Every beat of the engine matches the rhythm of your heart. That first gear, it's not just a shift in mechanics. It's a shift in mindset. A commitment to let go, to move forward. Ride to escape. Ride to reconnect. Ride to truly live. Because out here, it's not just a motorcycle. It's therapy on two wheels.